Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a wholesome breakfast delight with my pumpkin milk spinach breakfast bowl. Let's jump right in. To start, grab a small pumpkin and slice off a lid from the top. Pop the pumpkin into a steamer and let it steam for about 20 minutes until it's just tender. Using a small spoon, scoop out the softened pumpkin flesh, leaving a hollow shell. Next up, grab your blender. Pour in milk equal to the volume of the pumpkin container, then add in the scooped pumpkin flesh. Blend away until you've got a smooth, velvety pumpkin puree. Now, pour that luscious pumpkin puree back into the pumpkin shell. Moving on to the spinach. Give it a good wash, then blanch it in boiling water for a quick moment. Arrange the blanched spinach in the pumpkin shell. And there you have it, a nutritious breakfast bowl that brings together the goodness of pumpkin and milk for a flavor that's both rich and sweet. Give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.